Hello everybody, GG's Gadgets and Repair here. Sorry about the very shaky camera. My camera is actually broken. But today we are going to replace this Gentex Commander 3. I hope the camera calms down. But fortunately it's just going to have to be like that. And we're going to be replacing it with the 450D with the 2903 white plate, or strobe plate actually. Yeah, I'm so sorry about the camera. My front camera is better, but it's hard to record with the front camera. But yeah, we're gonna just do that. So what you want to do first is obviously turn off the power. And this is for the month of September. It's actually September today, because I'm recording this today because my phone camera. And the AC decided to come on. It's great. But I'm gonna time lapse getting this off, and yeah, go from there. Alright, here comes the hard part of the install, which is installing this and this, which they're very annoying to install. In fact, whoever decided in System Sensor to invent the plug-in style bracket is actually a genius, because this is like the best thing ever. Except for the camera shake again, but I can't really control it, which is weird. But yeah, I'm gonna time lapse the wiring it up and installing it. During the time lapse, I accidentally bumped out the batteries of this carbon monoxide detector. I think the other one rolled down somewhere. I don't know. Whatever. I'll get some new batteries later. But there's the install bits. These videos are generally kind of boring because just installing. But here comes the fun part, which is testing it. Oh, yeah. Got the power up almost. Gotta have power in order. There we go. All right. I think something came loose in it, but I'll check it and we'll sound the alarm then. Guys, I found the issue. I just wired it wrong. And yeah, I was just being kind of dumb. But here you go. Sorry it sounds bad. I don't think there's enough power on this, but it works, I guess. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.